Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Friday, December 4th. What you'll see in this presentation is that we are still forecasting stable and stagnant air continuing through Tuesday night. The possible exception of Sunday and Sunday night in the extreme western portion of our forecast area. There is a low actually undercutting the ridge moving through there during that time period, and it may bring some light precipitation in the form of snow to the south central highlands and the Wood River Valley region, but is expected to be very light, and it may be extremely light. We are looking for a light snow again. The next time would be starting Wednesday night through Thursday night, but this is low confidence on where the focus will be and exactly how much. It could be more in the south, could be more in the north. There's not a lot of agreement at the number of computer models that we do look at in terms of its location, and it might miss us totally. So at this point, here's our satellite. You can see there's just a few cirrus clouds that will move through southern areas today. Otherwise, we're looking at, once again, clear skies. And the current satellite image this morning indicates that there's very little fog in the area. There might be some patchy areas right in and around the American Falls Reservoir that need to be watched. So again, freezing fog though is a risk for the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, Southeast Highlands, and Eastern Highlands throughout this period, because this ends on Tuesday right before the trough arrives. Like I said, maybe bringing some snow. So until then, stagnant conditions will continue. We might see some in the Sawtooth area in Lemhi County late night Tuesday, but that's just a fairly remote chance. And then for that low that does come through on Sunday night, you can see the slight chance of snow in the high elevations. In the Wood River area, Sawtooth, probably not Lemhi County as much. And then again in the South Hills, including the Oakley, Rockland, Malta region. And again, it mostly is in the high elevations. So the rest of this we'll just be taking a look at. We'll look at precipitation, snowfall amounts for that Sunday night storm. But mostly this will be looking at temperatures. And then there's a few breezy wind conditions on different days during this 5-day period. So the high temperatures today, we're looking at mainly middle 30s for the Snake River Plain, upper 30s for the Eastern Magic Valley, and even Stanley, one of the warm spots at 40 degrees with all the sunshine they're getting. The low temperatures tonight, not quite as cold as they were this morning. You can see, again, though, a number of areas in single digits and below zero. Idaho Falls at 11, Pocatello at 16 degrees for the overnight low. And then Saturday, you can see it's starting to warm. There are now a number of places getting into the lower 40s in the lower elevations in the populated, heavily populated cities. As you expect with warmer temperatures on Saturday afternoon, there is a slight warming trend comparing Saturday morning to Sunday morning. And temperatures sort of level off here for Sunday, and that's because of the cloud cover, especially in the western half. It's actually a little bit cooler. And then here's Monday morning, again with the cloud cover, temperatures fairly mild. High temperatures on Monday, not about the same. And then Tuesday morning, they are taking a little bit of a dip, especially in the central Idaho mountains. And then Tuesday afternoon, you can see we're starting to warm up again, even some middle 40s expected in the Eastern Magic Valley. All right, here's the snowfall. You can see very little is described here. You can see north of Fairfield, there's a small area of snow, and then west of Twin Falls, there's a small area. So we're just not expecting much, if anything. The wind speeds here on Saturday prior to the storm's arrival, you can see this. We'll be basically looking at east to northeast flow every day this week. Here it is with a low approaching from the west. On Saturday, there will be some breezy northeast to east conditions, mostly in the eastern Magic Valley. And then again on Tuesday, once again, as that storm approaches from the west. And that will linger into Tuesday night with winds increasing and the stronger winds spreading almost to Idaho Falls. That's all I have, Joe. Just a couple of episodes of really light snow in the next week. Mostly stable, stagnant conditions. Not a whole lot of clouds. And temperatures ranging from middle 30s to middle 40s, depending on where you live. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.